Maganda po ang broom that when you have it, para kami entourage of mga Buddhas. Okay, ibig sabihin, you are protected. You look favorable. Ayan, na maganda po yan para kung meron kayong mga curses, kung meron pong nagpapalipad hangin, ayan po, it protects you. The broom actually protects us from that one. Yan po ay katulad po ng mandala. Ang mandala naman is more on black magic. Dito naman po mga ill wishes, but it also works for black magic ha. So kung hindi nyo afford yung mandala, you get the broom amulet po. This has been my amulet for a very, very long time. It's not only po because of curses, but it protects you from people wishing you to, bumagsak ka, yung inggit, yung maraming tao na iinggit sa success mo, or it protects you also from being harmed by thoughts. Yan, so the broom is very, very effective.